Okay, this would be part 2. This is the Mr. Zerox put back together. Straightened out the leg linkage as best I could so it's more stable. And of course reassembled the whole gearbox and robot assembly, and a little bit of new wiring. Cleaned the battery contacts, cleaned the switch contacts. And let's give it some more room to walk. And it's going to run out of walking room here in a second. That's your on-off switch here in the back. Your made in Japan there. So there's your vintage Mr. Zerox. In case you're wondering, there's the body's tin and the front's tin. The inside and the gears, you can see, were all metal, so that's a plus. Your foot covers, foot legs, arms, head, those are plastic. Metal mouth insert. Plastic ears, I believe, that are chromed. It's one of those living hinge designs where the same plastic that's the box is the hinge point. So it's only good for opening and closing X number of times till that hinge drops off, and then you're pretty much out of luck. I guess a person could drill small holes and loop some wire through there and form a wire hinge if that broke off. But for now, he's complete and working.